Hey Amazon, welcome back to the campground, and today we're checking out this camping table. So a big problem with camping is you need space. And something that comes in a bag like that extends to a table like this. That's a huge bonus with this table. So inside that bag you get 5 pieces. The base, the table itself, 2 sets of bars that the table sits on, and a basket that connects to the table. One thing to note about setup, don't close these all the way. You just kind of want them part-way closed. But you know how far you'll need to go because they clip into these little holes right here. Now when hooking the table in, this goes onto the end of the bar. The nice thing is, these do have some flex to them, so it's no problem extending it. And in the middle section you have 2 more clips. One thing to note when setting up the table is where you hook the basket. It says to hook it below here, but what I found is it kind of pulls down when you do that. So if you put something of significant weight in there, it's going to drag it to the bottom. I just clip it over top, still have access to the basket, and now it holds it in place very sturdy. Table says it's rated 225. I weigh 215, and I'm sitting on it. I don't think I would sleep on this or anything like that, but it's going to hold the weight of most things that you want to use this for. It is a very nice table, especially if you're going to use it as kind of a serving table at a barbecue or something like that, but it could also work as a portable workstation or a desk for somebody. One thing to be aware of with the table is the fact that the tabletop itself, these pieces do move a little bit, so there is some play in it. What everybody's always wondering is, would I buy this table again, or would I recommend it to somebody else? Absolutely I would. We were looking for a table to use as a serving table when we do barbecues here at the campground, and this fit the need perfectly. And the fact that it's portable enough I could throw it in the car and take it with me somewhere to like a beach or a picnic, that's a huge bonus with this table. Now it's a little bit more intense to set up in the sense of instead of taking 30 seconds to fold something out, this one takes 2 to 3 minutes to put together, but that's not a factor because of all the benefits of this table over those folding tables. It's always Amazon. I hope these reviews help your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.